Every day, you wake up with a dream. A dream to speak English confidently, to express yourself clearly, to never feel stuck searching for words again. But most people believe they need special classes, expensive courses, or English-speaking friends to improve. The truth is, you already have everything you need. Your daily life is your classroom. Your voice is your teacher. Your mind is your practice partner. Welcome to Clear Talk Studio. Today, we're learning how to turn your ordinary day into powerful English-speaking practice. Morning. Start your day in English. Your practice begins the moment you open your eyes. When you wake up, don't just check your phone. Start by talking to yourself in English. Say simple sentences like, I need to get up now. It's time to brush my teeth. I feel fresh today. These small lines train your brain to think in English naturally. No one's listening, no one's judging. It's just you and your fluency growing stronger. As you get ready, describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my hair. I'm wearing my favorite shirt. I'm making tea. This is called mirror speaking, and it's one of the most powerful daily practices for fluency. Because the more you speak out loud, the more confident your voice becomes. Morning routine. Build your English environment. While having breakfast, play something in English. A podcast, a YouTube video, or even short motivational speeches. You don't need to understand every word. Just let your ears get used to the sound of natural English. Listen like music. Feel the rhythm. Catch the emotion. Slowly, your brain starts recognizing patterns, tone, and speed. And without even realizing, your listening skills improve every single day. On the way, think in English. When you step outside, your English practice continues. Look around you and describe what you see in your mind. The sky is bright today. There's a man walking his dog. The air feels fresh. You're not just thinking, you're building your English brain. Thinking in English is the real secret to fluency, because the moment you stop translating, you start speaking naturally. You stop worrying about grammar. You start communicating with confidence. During work or study, you can still practice quietly. Write short notes in English. Translate your thoughts into English in your head. Speak silently if needed. If you use a computer, change your device language to English. This trains your mind daily without extra effort. During breaks, try writing short reflections like, what did I learn today? What was my best moment? It's not about perfection, it's about repetition. And repetition builds fluency.
Speak alone and speak proudly. If you don't have anyone to practice with, don't worry. You can become your own speaking partner. Try this. Record yourself talking about your day. For example, today I went to work. It was a busy day. I met my friend. We talked about our goals. Listen to your own voice. Notice your pronunciation, tone, and speed. Then try again, a little clearer, a little smoother. This is called voice journaling, and it's one of the fastest ways to build confidence. You'll be amazed at how your English grows just by hearing yourself speak every day. Evening, review and reflect in English. At night, when you're free, take 5 minutes. Close your eyes and replay your day, but this time in English. I woke up early. I had a busy morning. I watched an English video. I spoke a few sentences by myself. That's your reflection. That's your daily practice. You don't need big goals. You just need daily consistency. Even 15 minutes of real practice can change the way you speak forever. The mindset of daily practice. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It's built in the small moments when no one is watching. When you choose to speak, When you choose to think, when you choose to learn, you're becoming fluent. Every small sentence is a victory. Every mistake is progress. Every word you speak takes you closer to your goal. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Because English isn't just a language, it's a skill. And skills are built with practice, patience, and persistence. Daily English practice routine summary. Here's a simple daily plan you can follow. Morning, speak to yourself and describe your actions. Daytime, think in English, write small notes. Evening, watch or listen to English content. Night, reflect and journal in English. That's all it takes. 4 simple steps every single day. Final motivation. One day, you'll realize you didn't just learn English, you became fluent. Not because of luck, not because of a special teacher, but because you used every moment of your day to grow, to speak, and to believe. So start today. Speak, think, and live in English. Your daily life is your classroom, and your voice is your power. This is Clear Talk Studio, helping you become confident, fluent, and unstoppable.